After boarding off the plane, every passenger had to show their Suvidha forms, and we had taken a color printout. The red was really highlighted, and then we were escorted to a separate zone. It looked like we were the only one traveling from Europe. Now we are going for an RT-PCR check. Looks like it's an exclusive. Only 4 of us have been taken. So depending on the form, you get to go in a separate route. RT-PCR check.
Exclusive RT-PCR check. We are the only ones come from Europe.
So we took the... Great. Complete online registration. This is all the different testing centers. Star. They have selected Suburban. That's where we are. Yeah, Zone 3 Suburban, Anno. We are at Suburban, and apparently there's nobody out over here. Ah, there he's come. Oh, great. उधर है RT-PCR उधर कॉर्नर में क्या? Okay, Chris, get your bag. Okay, chalo, thank you. So Suburban has its counter ahead. Suburban counter. Now is the collection. Suburban Diagnostics at the Mumbai airport. Yes. So after the test, then we can wait for the results, but in the meanwhile we can go ahead and do the immigration or passenger baggage immigration. Everything was empty, very convenient, no problem at all. We gave the test samples, and as we're waiting, we can go ahead, do the immigration, collect our baggage, and by the time things are done, we'll get the report. Everything looks empty and no queues. We received a lot of forms in the plane to be filled, almost 16 different forms for the 4 of us. But finally, nobody checked it, and it was just this one immigration form and was done at the immigration desk. We were the last ones to come, and our baggage has been cleared from the conveyor belt, and we come to the baggage service at Mumbai airport. Hopefully our bags will be there somewhere inside in this. So we've reached Mumbai, unfortunately.
But our bags have not reached.
Our bags have not reached. So we've just reported a complaint out over here. So they are arranging for the baggage to be delivered. So probably between the different flights, the bag did not get transferred to our final destination. So considering 3 different flights, 4 different locations, final baggage has not yet arrived. Really unfortunate, but everything else was smooth. We're still waiting for a PCR check results to come in. And now next is we wait for our bags to come. Maybe it'll take a day or 2.
We wait first for our results to come.
Yeah, first results.
Hopefully it's negative, and then we wait for our bags that comes in 2 days. Hopefully.
So what a wonderful start for vacations, yeah. Let's see. It's a part of our fun. Okay, so now we're at the exit point. So people are actually waiting over here without knowing that you have to actually get your COVID form by going to the counter at the corner out over there. So make sure, don't wait for a text. We didn't get the text. It's more than an hour since we did the test. But we are all clear and we're ready to go. It's without baggage though. But are we set, Anu?
Yeah.
So just take a bus and go. Okay, let's go. Kids are exhausted, but now we're going. And finally finally, the epic journey is done. On the 5th day, we received a call from the municipal office asking for the test results, and when they heard it was negative, they also asked us to do the next test on the 7th day, and they'll call back again. There was no separate visit or calls other than this. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and raise your queries or clarifications in the comment sections below. We are very happy to answer any of those. Until then, thank you and see ya.